Now, Shivani, I can try another set of questions. For example, I'm still continuing simultaneous, linear equation, but I'll give you a bit more harder question. What about if I give you a question like this? X over 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, x over 2 plus 2 equals to 0. So what's my object of the formula? My object here is to make x the subject. Make x the subject. That means I want x to stand alone. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to write this again. I got x over 2 plus 2 equals to 0. What can I do to the left hand side to eliminate one of the two? So the first easy thing is, I told you, always go to the plus and minus. You minus 2 here, you minus 2 here, because these two will kill each other, right? So when you do that, you will have x over 2. This and this will kill each other, right? Okay, good. This side you will have minus 2. So once again, put the brackets. What do I do here to eliminate the 2? So you say, oh, very simple, times 2 both sides. When I times 2, these 2 will cancel out. So what do I get the next level? I will get x is equals to minus this and this will cancel out. So you get minus 2 times 2, you'll get minus 4. So that's the answer for minus 4. Okay? So as I said, these are simple ways to get the question. Well, let me give you something that looks very hard. I think you told me that this is what your teacher would have given you. Okay, let me give you this question. The question is 6y plus 3, 6y plus 3 over 9 equals to 1. Okay, it looks scary, right? But it's no big deal. As I say, the beautiful thing about maths is once you understand the logic, you just have to apply. It's like a recipe. Once you get it right, then you just have to put the ingredients in the right way, in the right form. But most importantly, you have to understand first. No shortcuts in life, and certainly there's no shortcut in maths. So now I put my imaginary bracket. These are imaginary. You don't have to put it for yourself. You just have to imagine the bracket. What am I? First, I have to decide how to kill the 6, the 3, and the 9. I would think the easiest to kill first is 9, right? Because the 9 is covering the whole thing, right? Okay? Because if you kill the 3, it is not, okay, so it's easier to kill the 9. Let's try with the 9. So, because if you kill the 9, you can just cancel out. So I'm going to times here by 9, and I'm going to times here by 9. Okay, I will show you in another lesson later why I'm choosing 9 first. So because you are in a hurry for the exam tomorrow, choose 9 first. Okay, choose the denominator because you told me there was questions like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to cancel this 2. And then what you have is you have 6y plus 3 equals to 9. My second question to you is, then how do I kill the next thing? The next thing is to kill the 3. How do I kill the 3? I minus 3 here, I minus 3 there. So if I minus 3 both sides, I will have 6y equals to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now how do I kill the y? How do I kill the 6? I divide here by 6, or rather I times here by 1 over 6. I times here by 1 over 6. So the 6 and the 6 will cancel. Coincidentally, this and this also seems to be cancelling. So I get y equals to 1. So that's my final answer for that. Okay? So these are simple linear equations. Okay, let me try one more time. One more question. Let me find something that's really messy. Okay? Oh yeah, there's one messy question here. Let's try that out and see. The messy question here is this. 4, okay, it's 4 open bracket, 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 equals to 88. Oh, this is a fantastic question. Now, I would like you to pause before you continue doing this question to see whether you can do this yourself or how far you can do. If you're really stuck, then come back and on the video again. So try to pause now and wish you good luck trying this question. Okay, welcome back. The first thing I want to do is which is the easiest to kill? The easiest to kill here is the 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to times here by 1 over 4, and I'm going to times here by 1 over 4. So this will kill the 4, and what I will get is, I will get here is 3t minus 2 equals to 88 over 4 is 22. Okay, now my question to you is, what am I going to kill next? So the easiest thing to kill next is I'm going to do plus 2 here, and I'm going to do plus 2 there. So if I plus 2, I get 3t equals to 24. Now how do I kill the 3? I divide by 3 or multiply by 1/3, and I multiply by 1/3. The 3 and the 3 cancels off, and then what do I get? I get t equals to 24 divided by 3 is 8. See? It's not that difficult, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to give a very, very messy one. Okay? This is as hard as it ever get. Let's see whether you can do it. You got 2x plus 3 equals to 6x minus 5. This is really messy. You know why it's messy? You got x on both sides. So it's just not moving all the numbers together. First you got to consolidate the x's. You got to make all the x's look good. Now, first thing is, do you want to kill the 6x or do you want to kill the 2x? The logic answer is keep the 6x is bigger, right? And not only is bigger, it's also positive. So you want to keep that 6x. So do you know you can rewrite this question just like if I say 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, then you can rewrite and say 4 is equals to 1 plus 3. You're allowed to switch the question back and forth because they are equal. Left is equals to right, therefore right must be equals to left. You are always allowed to do this. So I'm going to rewrite the question. 6x minus 5 is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay? Now my question is, I want all my x to come to this side. So I want to kill this 2x. How do I kill the 2x? So as I told you, if you want to kill, oh sorry about this, if you want to kill this, you want to minus a 2x here and minus the 2x on the left hand side. So you minus 2x both sides. So you'll get 6x minus 2x, you'll get 4x minus 5 over here. Plus 2x minus 2x, it eliminates each other. So you get balance 3. Okay? Now, so now this looks like an easier question. So I'm sure from now onwards you should be able to do it like the way we have done before. So anyway, I'll go through the motion. How to destroy the 5? You plus 5, you plus 5. By plussing 5 both sides, you can go 4x is equals to 8. How do you destroy the 4? You multiply by 4 or divide by 1/4, sorry. And then this 4 and this 4 cancel. Then you get x is equals to 2. So that's the second answer. So as I said, this is the hardest question you can ever get. So if you can get this done, you are set for linear equation. So good luck, Shivani.